What are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here?
Is this the best you could do? Trust someone like him?
Cross or whatever it is you call yourself. If you know what's good for you, you better get into that car and leave this place this minute before I call the police on you.
Oh. Oh. Look at that. Is someone about to cry? I feel like crying for you. Listen to me. I'm having the twins very soon. I've gotten the asses. It's just a matter of time. Huh? I'm going to strip everything from you. Huh? How's that? Good. Let me get my luggage. Think about the place. You know what I'm saying? Not bad, huh?
My G. Keep it locked.
That's what I'm talking about. All day, all night.
Let's go.
Hey, Daddy.
My princess, how was lecture today?
It was good, just a bit stressful.
It's all right. You know what? Tell Grace to prepare something for you and serve your dinner. Then have a rest. And of course, thereafter, join me in the sitting room for our Tuesday,
Daddy and me chit chat.
our tradition.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, dear.
Let me go drop my bag, Daddy.
Be waiting for you in the sitting room. Please prepare something for me too.
My G.
My man. Thanks, bro.
Yeah. So, for a start, we need to stay on the low. Stay under a disguise.
Okay.
All right?
Thanks.
Monitor the oil firms. Make sure that we check the consignments, the modus operandi, and make sure that we know the cost of operations. And pretty much everything, so that we can determine what the pricing is like.
Yeah, I got you. I already have the plans mapped out. I have contacted my spies and they're in position.
No way.
Actually, some of them are workers in the company.
You mean you have spies there already?
Trust me, bro.
Bro, Rocky, that's some genius stuff, man.
I got you.
Let's go.
My
Let's
man,
go. Let's
my
go.
man.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Lock it up. That's cool.
Thanks, man.
All right, what I'm going to do from my end is I'll handle the e-commerce of things. Make sure that the documents are ready.
All right.
All right?
Okay.
So it means I need to tuck in early so that I can get an early start tomorrow.
Sure do. All right, man. So good.
Man, everything you just told me is busting my brain, man.
Right.
I will not lie.
My man.
Put it right here, man.
My man.
Yeah.
Let's go. Look it up.
Keep it locked.
Hey, that reminds me. Since we're keeping a low profile, we should also keep it coded with the whole, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
I told you you're a genius, right? I did tell you you're a genius.
Cross the
Right?
man. All right, man.
So any age at school?
None, Daddy.
Boy problem?
None, Dad.
I'm sure you remember you cannot date any of those small boys.
Daddy, I know.
Very well. I'll be having a meeting with our investors concerning the oil farm.
Okay. That's good. I need to go freshen up and do some revisions.
Tomorrow is Saturday. Take your time.
Yeah, I just need to read ahead. I owe you first class, remember?
I know you just don't want to hear about the family business.
Daddy, you know it's not my thing. Don't worry, I'll see you before bedtime. Okay? I love you.
Love you too. Just like her mom. Exactly like her mother.
Say, have you ever seen a nigga like moi? Hey, Jay. Each and every ready wanna give me mwah. We don't smoke cigar. Hey. I tell them mwah. Hey. Say Solomon. Hey. I'm not a Solomon. Hey. Solomon. Ah. Hey. Hey. Lucky Stone, calm down now, calm down. The agreement is to keep it on the low, so just relax. Relax, keep it on the low. On the low. But have you seen anyone like me? Each and every day they want to give me mwah. Have you ever seen anyone?
Good morning, Daddy.
Hello, princess.
Hi, my daddy. I'm off to the gym and road work.
Again, I tell you, just continue to stress yourself. It's not necessary. You are not fat.
Daddy,
You don't need it.
fitness is not only to eliminate fat.
Hey, she has come again. Why are you doing it there? You want to have muscle? And be seen as a masculine, a tomboy?
Daddy,
That will not happen under my watch.
fitness is for health. And you promised not to stop me. Remember? Daddy keeps his words.
Blackmail.
Mm-hmm.
That is blackmail.
I have to go. I'll see you later, Daddy. I love you.
Love you too. Hello, Timo.
Hey. I'm sorry, I'm new around here. Hi, my name is Dr. Daniel.
No way. Doc by profession?
Yes, I'm a medical doctor.
You don't say. You don't look it.
Well, I get those comments all the time. Some people say I look like a movie star.
Oh. That's nice. I'm actually a medical student, so it's safe to say you're my senior colleague.
Imagine that. So, how often do you do this?
Yeah, every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays when I don't have lectures in the morning.
Okay. Well, like I did say earlier, I am new around here. So maybe you could help me get acquainted to this area and also help me get fit.
That's if you agree to help me with studies. So, after you're my senior colleague.
Are those the conditions?
Uh huh.
Okay, deal.
Deal. I have. I'm serious.
Are you?
Really.
No way.
No,
You
really.
can't be serious.
I've
No.
always felt that medical doctors were kind of nerds, and the ones in my school aren't even helping matters. So, no school boyfriend. I just go to school, go back home, go to the gym, go for road walks, then back home. I know. Boring triangular life.
So, assuming you were to have a boyfriend, it has to be a medical doctor with a little bit of a sprinkle of maybe Olamide or
I
Burna
didn't say
Boy
that.
or
Don't
someone.
twist my words. I didn't say
No,
that.
but indirectly you said that. So I get the point. I
Oh,
get
wow.
the point. I get the point.
Okay, it's time for me to go home now. For my daddy sends his troop of armies.
Mm. Time does fly when you're having fun. Anyway, it was nice speaking with you. Maybe I could see you some other time.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay, sounds perfect. Can I maybe have your number?
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame.
2 hours, 48 minutes, 20 seconds late than usual.
Oh, you know you haven't fully retired. You've only changed profession.
To what, Princess?
You monitor my life. That's what you do for a living now.
Look, what else do you expect? You are the only thing I have. You are the only person with me. So what business do I have? Now tell me the truth. Was it a boy? No, say no. You have to give me his information so that it will help my investigation. Because my son-in-law must be impeccable. Nay, I don't want to hear stories that touch.
Daddy, there is no son-in-law. At least not for now. You know what? I'll just go in and freshen up. I'll see you later.
We will still discuss it.
Daddy!
You will still discuss it. Oh, well, you are trying to bulldoze your way. Eh? I won't agree with you.
Hey, beautiful.
Daniel?
Oh, you recognize my voice already?
I don't have a lot of people calling me.
Oh, okay. I was just calling to check up on you to see if you've settled in.
I have.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, I just wanted to call to make sure that you also have my number and you can save it.
Okay, sure.
All right. I see you're about to get busy, so I'll leave you to it, and I'll talk to you later.
Okay, that's fine. Bye.
All right. All right. Bye. Okay. Bro, welcome.
My man. It's good, my G.
Oh, friend, how's it
It's
going?
good, my G.
Good?
I'm good, man.
Good? Keep it locked.
Gotcha. Ah, brother. What's up now?
All right.
What you doing? Medical terms? Bro? Since when? You didn't even solve the net this much when you bought your med certificate.
Ah, come on, bro. The walls have ears. And I didn't buy my certificate. I actually went to school.
Sorry, you said, what was that? Can I hear that again?
I said I went to school.
You know, no, the other one. You said you didn't do what? You didn't, come on, let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear it now.
I didn't buy my certificate.
And you even want to say it. You even want to repeat it. Get out of here, bro. Come on, man. You hardly attended lectures nor practicals. Like you literally paid your way through school. So, listen, man. You can keep living in denial all you want. As long as you don't enter the theater one day and forget a machete in the patient's belly, that's your problem. So what's got you suffering, man?
What do you think?
A girl? Come on, bruh. Holy moly, mother of God. Are you serious? Listen, bro. We don't need distractions right now. You know that.
Bro, look, I'm cross, man. I never get distracted. And who says you can't kill two birds with one stone? All right,
sure?
Look, yeah, I'm 100% sure. Look, when I hit her up, she wasn't, leaning towards me or showing any interest at all until I mentioned that I was a doctor. And that got her interested. She's a medical student, so I'm trying to browse and get my doctor terminology on so I can sound more like a doctor.
You can sound more like a doctor. You're not ashamed of yourself. Someone that went to med school, you have to browse to answer questions that has to do with med. Anyways, do your thing, do what you gotta do. But please, bro, don't get distracted, my nigga.
Of course, man.
All right?
Yeah,
Don't get distracted, bruv.
that's the plan.
Don't get distracted, bruv.
I heard you, man.
Don't get distracted, my G.
No problem.
Gotcha.
My G.
My man.
Hey, we'll have to start shaking like gentlemen now.
Oh, my bad, I forgot.
Yeah.
What on, sir? My man.
This guy is crazy.
You did this perfectly well. It is now hard to determine who does it better between you and your mom.
Okay, if you ask me, I would
Yeah.
say me, but I know you wouldn't accept, so it's okay.
Because your mom was perfect. Just like you.
I miss her too.
So,
Okay, Daddy. My work here is done. I'll be in my room.
can't you pick the call here? Or have we started to keep secrets?
Oh, Daddy, there's no secrets. I just want the caller to help me with schoolwork. I'll talk to you later.
He's turning me to a baby boy. Oh. I really don't know anything, Abby.
Hey, beautiful. How you doing? I'm good. Just missing you badly.
I have a question, though, if you don't mind. Academic, though.
Shoot.
Okay, just give me a minute. So, which hormone stimulates maturation and ovulation of the dominant Graafian follicle?
LH, luteinizing hormone.
Okay. Next question. What are the three phases of uterine cycle?
Phase 1, the proliferative phase, which is ovulatory, of course, under the influence of estrogen. Phase 2, ovulatory phase. And then phase 3, secretorial phase, which is the luteal phase. The length is constant at 14 days. I mean, you should know this. That's easy. Any other questions?
Okay. Next question.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and
All right,
thin.
glad to help. Sure, anytime you can call me. All right then. Bye. What's your own now? What's your own?
Interesting. Mr. Lover. You know, I would like to see a picture of this girl that has put you in this Telemundo vibe kind of thing.
Only on one condition.
What?
As long as you don't fall in love.
Oh, get out of here, man. Do I look like you?
Here she is.
She's beautiful. Ain't gonna lie, she's beautiful.
Yeah, she's beautiful on the inside and on the outside. She's
Yeah?
smart. She's intelligent. She's
Good.
humble.
Yes.
Her character.
We thank the Lord. We thank the Lord.
Deepness, bro.
We thank the Lord.
Deepness.
Amazing. Bro, uncle, let's get back to the reason we came to Lagos.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
What's up with the consignment?
This guy. Well, it's going good. I discovered the reason for him selling isn't because of a fault or anything. It's because he has retired and has no one to hand over to. I think he's dying or something.
Interesting.
Yeah.
But I think there is an underlining to this motive.
Yeah, I think so too, but I'm still doing my investigations.
Okay, bro. You do that. You investigate. Let me go get something to eat.
This guy. Mr. Lover. I'm gonna fall in love and forget about our business. So. You come Lagos, come do love. This guy.
It is now confirmed that a boy is getting your attention.
It's just a friend.
Just a friend. Who is he? Son of who? No, you need to give me all this necessary information. It will help my investigation, you know.
Daddy, I thought you've given up on trying to find me an oil dealer that I'll marry and take over from you. Because I've told you I don't like oil dealers and I don't plan on marrying any of them.
It's unfortunate I didn't get the one that really loves you. But nevertheless, genuine love is important. It's necessary in this kind of relationship.
Yeah, love is important, and it's also important that I love the person too. And I don't love oil dealers.
It's all right. I will not go against your wish, but you cannot just marry anyone. You know, don't forget you are Ode Rufus, daughter of the legendary oil dealer Rufus. You get that clear?
I know. I get it clearly. And I'll go serve your lunch.
Cutting everything off as usual.
I'm just trying to take care of you. You're my
Never,
daddy.
never mind. You have succeeded in brainwashing me again.
Daddy.
Is that not so? One more cup of coffee.
He's good looking, smart, loves fitness just like me. Lord, are you trying to tell me something?
Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
Look, I haven't seen you forever. I'm dying to see you.
We have to wait till Tuesday. My father's way already.
Tuesday? Tuesday sounds like an eternity. Come on.
I know, but we have to wait still.
Okay. So, how are you?
I'm good. How are you two?
Well, I'm not fine. Audrey, I miss you. I mean, I can't stop thinking about you. What have you done to me?
I don't know. I haven't done anything.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin, looking through the windows of our hearts. We share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated.
My mother never really liked the oil business. She hated the bunkering, the sales of fake products that could set people's lives or properties on fire. I remember an incident that happened where a child got burnt because she bought kerosene that wasn't pure.
Wow.
So she hated the whole shady oil deals. She kind of felt like it's almost impossible to be an oil dealer and also be clean. And that made her never happy. I saw them argue every day. Like, don't get me wrong, They were in love, as in madly in love with each other, but the arguments kept coming daily, and that kind of affected your love.
Well, I understand, but I don't think you should let that affect your opinion on businessmen and oil dealers.
No, I really just want a simple life, like a life away from oil dealers, marry someone I love, and stay away from dramas and everything. My dad actually wanted me to marry one oil dealer, but he wasn't very sure that he was in love with me as much as my daddy, loved my mom. So,
So, what if your dad maybe brings one to you and asks you to marry him or something?
I still won't. I don't like businessmen. I just don't like them, especially oil dealers. My dad is the last businessman I'll ever love.
Sorry, I hate to interrupt you. Your dad, what's his name?
Cyrus,
Sir Rufus, the famous oil baron.
you know him?
I mean, who doesn't?
Oh, I didn't know the doctors knew my dad.
Well, I'm pretty much into current affairs. I like to know what's happening in town.
That's nice. So, started internship, residency.
Well, not quite. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with my MBBS and how to start and even where to start. But I'm thinking of relocating here permanently. I mean, I already have a house.
Yeah, you should. You should.
Look, Audrey, I would really like to get to know you better because I really do like you.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will
I
never
like you too.
die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin, looking through the windows
Wow,
of our hearts.
who would have thought? Such a small world.
I mean, I was shocked.
Huh, wow. So, did you reveal your true identity to her?
Bro, of course not. No. At least not until I'm sure that she has fallen for me. And she did mention that she doesn't like businessmen or oil dealers. She's more inclined to professionals, so I think I'm gonna keep my other identity as a doctor.
I see. Okay. So tell me, bro. Do you really like this girl, or is it a fling or something?
Bro, what do you think, man?
I don't know. You tell me.
Of course I like her. I'm taking her seriously.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. Huh. Okay. Okay. Well, if you must know, I've done the due diligence, so we're good. We're supposed to meet with Mr. Rufus ASAP because anybody can get this deal, so we can't afford to delay. Delay is dangerous. We can't risk that, okay? We can't put this on hold because of a girl. You understand me?
Of course, man.
Yeah.
So why don't you go ahead and I'll support you from here? Okay?
What?
Yeah. And also, when I plan to get married, I'll make you my best man. Cool? I'll see you inside, bro.
This nigga. He said, if her father finds an oil dealer who will love her genuinely, marry her, he might consider handing over the business. Cross can't keep getting the best part of life while I get the crumbs. I do the bigger work. I work harder. I deserve the best.
Yeah, please come in. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Yay!
Hey, Dad.
My princess.
Good afternoon. Let's go quickly get something from the store.
Okay.
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, I'll give you only 50 minutes. Yes. The supermarket is closed, yeah?
Okay.
All
I'll
right.
see you later.
All right, baby.
Be right back.
Mr. Lucky.
Sir, your daughter?
Yes. Let's talk business. So, the agent Tayo said he has accessed all your details and he said it's cool and that of your partner too. But I just want to know, do you manage the stations you buy or you sell them off?
Well, sir, we buy, sell oil structures and consignment. But if it's a good one, we get to keep it and manage it.
You have anything to show me?
Yes, sir. I'll show you our file. You can have a good look at it, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
So the next thing is for you to send your experts to check the properties and equipment.
Okay, sir.
Then we can now talk again.
Okay, sir.
Having said that, it brings this meeting to an end.
All right, sir.
Every other communication we can do via phone.
Most definitely, sir.
I appreciate your coming.
Thank you very much for your time, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Up to you. All right, my dear.
All right, sir.
Bye for now.
Have a great day.
Youths of nowadays. No pretense, no respect. Just staring at my daughter.
Hi, you're back.
And you're leaving?
Yeah, my name is Lucky.
Audrey,
Nice to meet you, Audrey.
take care.
She's definitely going to be mine. The best belongs to me.
this may be my one chance to retain my legacy and still leave my daughter in the hand of someone who loves her. The family business can stay with the family. I sell half of the company to him, leave the remaining half to my darling daughter, but have him take care of the entire properties. Whatever it takes to get my daughter fall for him too. She is so tough. I'll try my best.
So, the deal is in progress as we speak. It should be ready in a week's time.
Oh, that's good news.
Yeah.
But tell me, bro, while you were there, did you see Audrey?
Audrey?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I think I saw her.
You think? Bro, Audrey is the most beautiful woman I have ever seen. You don't just see Audrey and think. Come on, bro.
Well, maybe to you, but she's not that appealing to me. That's why I didn't see her that.
Bro, you have to be joking. I mean, anytime I see Audrey, my heart skips a beat. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Boring, brother. Boring. Talk about something else, please.
Bro, look. When we were together, the way we looked into each other's eyes and the way I held her hand.
Wait. You guys were together today?
Of course, bro, when you were at that place. As I was saying, we shared our first kiss, bro. It was amazing. Her lips were like milk, sprinkled with vanilla and honey, like our bodies vibrated.
Cross! What the hell, bro? What's going on with you, man? For God's sake, what's wrong with you? Huh? Have you forgotten what brought you to Lagos? Are you trying to mix business with pleasure? What's wrong with you, man?
Bro, come on. We can do a bit of both. We can make money and I can have my woman on the side.
Oh, spare me that sentimental bullshit.
Oh, bro, come on. Seems like you need this love more than I do. You need to loosen up, bro. It's all good, man.
He kissed her? He was freaking kissing her. Damn him, man. I need to move quick. Real quick.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me. We are hopeful for a better tomorrow. No matter how it is, you're the one for me.
Rufus. Mr. Rufus, he invited me over to dinner. He said he likes to familiarize with his clients. Care to come?
Care to come? Bro, come on. You know that I'm still trying to conceal my identity with Audrey. I can't do that.
Okay, cool. So, I'm going alone then. Not as much.
Just you and him?
Maybe.
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
You looking good?
Thank you.
Hope you don't plan on stealing my girl with that gentleman look. I'm not going to forgive you if that happens this time.
What?
I'm just kidding. Come on.
It's not funny. That incident should be bygone by now.
It is bygone by now. That's why I'm making a joke out of it. It's nothing serious.
Alright. I'll be heading out.
All right, man. Take care.
Yeah, you too. Hi, beautiful. It's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm very fine, sir. Thank you. Wow.
Hello, baby.
Wow, this looks nice.
So, no time to waste.
Yeah?
Let's go for dinner. Grace.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin, looking through the windows of our hearts. We share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me. We are hopeful for a better tomorrow. No matter how it is, you're the one for me. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do.
Honestly, sir, I must confess, this is one of my best meals ever. I'm telling you.
And it's prepared by Her Excellency, my princess, the perfect cook.
Wow. Interesting.
Daddy, you know I'm far from perfect.
But you know you are.
I know you're going to keep hyping me. I love you.
I love you too, princess.
Okay, thank you for dinner. I'll be in my room.
No, please. I have to quickly ease myself. Keep lucky company. I'll be with you in a moment.
All right, sir. You know, your dad is right. You are indeed perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Excuse me. So, I was thinking, maybe we could go on a proper date.
Not interested.
Oh. Okay. How about I get your number then? At least.
Lucky, right?
It's beautiful.
Are you trying to hit on me?
Even the blind can see that you have captured my heart.
I'm so sorry to burst your bubble.
Oh.
I'm with someone.
Oh. Well, I don't see any ring on your finger, which means that he's not married to you yet. So, I still have my chance.
You know, I like guys like you. Very full of themselves. Just so you know, I do not like oil dealers, and nothing, absolutely nothing will make me have anything to do with them. No this and no this.
Oh. I see. You know, a man's job does not define who they are, as long as they have a legit job. I'm a very calm, patient, loyal man. I promise you. If you give me a chance, I would make you and your father proud for the rest of my life.
So sorry.
Sir.
I needed to rest a little.
Oh, please, it's fine. I totally understand.
My daughter is a good company.
Yes, she sure was the best.
That's my princess. I always say that her mother gave me a perfect gift.
Absolutely, sir. You can say that again.
Thank you, Daddy. I'll be in my room.
Bye, Audrey.
So, did she reciprocate?
Not really, sir, but I'm a very patient guy. I'll wait.
Just like what they say. A patient dog.
It's the fattest bone.
See you.
All right, sir. Sir, I must say thank you so much for having me here today. Thank you so much, sir. Ah, my goodness.
I thought you'd forget it.
No, sir.
Audrey, that guy likes you. He springs up my desire to have a son-in-law in the business. So which means I don't need to sell the farm.
I'm sorry, Daddy, but that will not happen.
Lucky adores you.
While I abhor him.
Baby girl, you do not even know this guy.
Okay, newsflash, Daddy. I love another guy. He's a doctor.
What? That is not possible. Over my dead body.
Daddy.
That will not happen. That is not possible.
Daddy!
does she take me for?
Bro, what's the meaning of this? Audrey told me that you were hitting on her. For what?
What? No.
Oh, come on, don't lie to me, bro. Your messages are right here. Look, she sent them to me. Oh, my father's guest is hitting on me. He looks so dumb. Are you serious, bro? Are you really going to embarrass me like this?
Hey, bro. Relax, okay? It was all her father's idea. And I'm just playing along so we can get this deal. Once we get this deal, I'm cutting her off, straight up. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah. And meanwhile, it won't be a bad idea to test her loyalty, would it?
There will be no testing of anyone's loyalty. Because I trust her.
You trust her? Even without proof?
Yes, without any proof.
Okay. Well, if we're going to get this deal with her father, I have to play along.
If that's what you have to do, that's fine. But let me make this clear. If you as much as come close to her, even a hug, I would cut your hands off. And that's a promise. My father's guest is hitting on me. He looks so dumb.
She was just chatting with him, giving me less attention. What a nonchalant attitude. Stupid girl.
I have only 1 year more to live. Yes, because I have cancer. However, my daughter is not aware of this because I didn't want her to feel too bad. So I kept pretending and managing, keeping the pains within me. But I have just 1 year to live.
Oh my God. I'm very sorry, sir.
Sorry for what? You don't need to be sorry. I lived a full life, a fulfilled life. I worked and made money, and I enjoyed my money. I enjoyed every moment of my life. But most importantly, what I want you to hold is this. I had known only one woman in my life, and that is Audrey's mother. I love her so much. I love her madly. I never cheated on her, even in death. I now begin to wonder if I will ever get a man that will love my daughter as much as I love her mother. To this, I have a question for you.
Okay, sir.
Can you love my daughter as much as I loved her own mother? Can you?
I promise you, sir. With all of my heart, I will love Audrey until my last breath.
It's a promise.
Promise.
Then we don't have to sell our oil farm to you. I will everything, my business, my properties, everything to my grandchildren. That is your own children. And you can now manage it for them until they grow. How about that?
Wow, sir, I don't even know what to say.
Condition attached. We have an agreement.
Okay.
The moment you derail from your promise, you will forfeit every right you have in the will. Say yes, yes.
Sir, it's not all about the money. I'm not here for the money, sir. I am a successful man myself. I just want Audrey's love.
Then it's a deal. I will support you. I will assist you. I will help you gain our love.
Thank you, sir.
But we have to work as a team.
Okay, sir.
Mind you, don't let my daughter know about my sickness.
You can trust me, sir.
I trust you.
You can trust me. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Oh, please, I have to pick this call, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Hello?
Dad, you haven't sent me my monthly stipend. You know I've spent most of my money on my school project.
And where do you expect me to get the money? You have refused to participate in the family business, no input whatsoever. So,
Dad,
look, if you won't consider my plight, I won't consider yours. And this is final.
Audrey, it's an open check. You can write any amount. I'll sign it. Okay? I have it.
That stupid boy offered me a blank check. Like, can you imagine? What did they take me for? I'm so livid right now.
Fine girl.
What?
I mean, I wanted to calm you down, but I couldn't help but notice how beautiful you are when you're upset.
Babe, can you just... Don't start, please. I'm so pissed. Like, I've never seen my father this selfish or insensitive. And that's all because of that stupid guy.
But how are you sure it's the guy's fault? Maybe your dad could be pushing this guy to you and using the business as
No.
bait.
I know my father very well. And he's always wanted me to love a guy or be with someone that loves me as much as he loved my mom. No, he never even cheated on her.
Wow, an oil baron who's never cheated. Your dad surely did raise the bar. But tell me, why do you hate us so much?
Us?
Oh, us. I mean like guys, but in this case, oil dealers.
Babe, I've said this. I just don't like the business, dirty deals, and I'm just not a fan of it.
I see. So rather than hate it, why don't you just encourage it?
But I chose you, the doctor. Wait, are you advising me to stick with that guy?
Of course, baby, you made the right choice. And you're the one for me, you know that. Let me have your account details.
Babe, you want to send me money?
Yes.
No, babe. I'm not asking you to. Please, don't bother.
Babe, come on.
Babe,
I want to take care of you.
you're not my father.
I know, but I'm your future husband. Or am I not? So please.
You just had to.
Looking through the windows
You're welcome.
of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough.
All right.
I'll be with you through thick and thin.
Babe, this is too much.
Come on, sweetie. You should know that nothing is too much for my baby girl.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else.
You have to end whatever drama you and Mr. Rufus are into. Because we don't need to play into his shenanigans before he sells to us. Because he needs us. We need him too. No, we don't. And I don't want to stress my girl.
God damn it, Cross. Really? Girls over money now?
She's not just any girl, bro.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for
Good day, sir.
You cannot see that guy anymore.
Oh, you now send people to monitor me?
Henceforth, no sports. The driver takes you to school and bring you back home.
Daddy, I am not a slave.
Who says? Hello, Tayo. I want you here now. Come back here.
Babe, look, I'm sorry for everything. I'm quite sorry. I'm sure everything will be fine. Okay?
Deflower me.
What?
I want you to take my virginity.
Babe. This is the most memorable day of my life. Thank you.
Thank you too. And I love you.
Audrey, I love you too.
I need to talk to my dad. I know he'll be so worried.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, please, can you pass my phone?
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Babe, is everything okay? Babe, are you okay?
Who are you?
Babe, what kind of a question is that?
You said you were a doctor.
Of course I'm a doctor.
Shut up! You're an oil dealer. Your name is Cross. You're a bloody criminal!
Babe, I can explain.
Don't even...
Look, babe.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Babe, just let me explain.
Don't explain anything to me! Just stay there!
Babe, please. Please, let me...
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
I fucking warned you, bro. I warned you, didn't I? I freaking warned you. I told you that this one was special, but no! You wanted her too.
You're not the only one with eyes for good thing, are you?
Pamela, back in the university days, you knew that I wanted her, and yet you took her from me.
You're one entitled fool. She chose me! Me!
So how do you explain how I went into medicine? And you did the same. Thank God they rejected you.
I don't give a damn about medicine. If I wanted it, I would get it.
You wish you could get it.
I would get it if I want to.
Okay, so how do you explain how I got into oil and here the fuck you are?
Enough of this nonsense. See you tomorrow at the bank. We're splitting our money in our joint account.
What money?
50-50.
What bank account? You must be a joker. I made you. I freaking made you.
Get this shit out of my face. You made who? You didn't make me nothing, bro. You made nothing. We made ourselves in this business. Don't play yourself, Cross. Do not. Don't forget I know all your secrets. All your dirty games. Everything you've done that is not legal. I have it at the palm of my hands. I can crush you. End everything about you just like this.
I wish you would. Try me. Try me.
All right. Okay. Tomorrow, bank. Split the money. 50-50.
Look, you are fucking lucky. I would have smashed your head with this bottle. You ignorant fool. Arrogant bastard.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me. We are hopeful for a better tomorrow. No matter how it is, you're the one for me. I am yours, you are mine,
She didn't touch it at all. My baby girl. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Audrey, please, don't hurt yourself. It's dangerous to your health. Try and eat little.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do.
She refused to eat.
Wow. Let me go talk to her.
No, don't do that. It will aggravate the whole thing. No, please, never mind. I think I know what I will do. I will observe her till evening, and if there are no changes, I will call the family doctor.
Okay, sir.
But tell me, what did you do to her? What did you say to her? Is there anything?
Well, nothing much. I just revealed her supposed boyfriend's secret to her.
Okay. And what are the secrets?
Honestly, sir, the guy happens to be my business colleague and acquaintance.
Okay.
Well, he deceived her that he was a doctor. Meanwhile, he's just interested in taking advantage of her and your family.
So he's not a doctor?
He's not. Although he's my colleague. Although sir, it's sad. Although he's my colleague, but he has serious tendency for criminal act.
So because he is aware that my daughter's choice is a medical doctor, he now capitalize on that.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir. I can show you the evidence if you think.
No. Never mind. You have tried. What to do? I really know what to do.
That's the colleague I was talking to you about.
Is that him?
He's the one.
Hello? Young man? Yes. What exactly do you want here? Who are you? Just listen. I have heard a lot about you, and I don't want you close to my house. Talk less of seeing you with my daughter. Is that clear? Is that clear? And if you don't move now, I will get you arrested. Now, out of here. Out of my house. Nonsense. Just look at him. Fake doctor. Fake doctor. Gold digger. You get inside the car, let's go. Go to the back seat. Okay, you want to sit there? Everyone, you like.
shouldn't have trusted him again. Once a betrayer, always a betrayer. Now I can't even do much because he has all my secrets. Let me just hope Audrey comes around and forgives me. I'll give her some time. Maybe travel back to base and return later.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me. We are hopeful for a better tomorrow. No matter how it is, you're the one for me. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me. We are hopeful for a better tomorrow. But no matter how it is, you're the one for me.
Hello, sir. Yeah, good day, sir. Yeah, I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm currently at the house and I've been knocking at Audrey's room door, but she has refused to open up. So I'm worried. She doesn't want to see me. May I ask why? What? She's pregnant with twins. Twins! Wow. Okay, sir, no problem. Twins. Twins. Interesting. Being in possession of his twins would be such a delight. I'll make sure they hate him with all their hearts. That guy made me feel inferior all my life. Made me feel like a second-class citizen, while he was the king. I hate his guts. I hate him. I hate him.
What are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here?
Is this the best you could do? Trust someone like him?
Cross or whatever it is you call yourself. If you know what's good for you, you better get into that car and leave this place this minute before I call the police on you.
Oh. Oh. Look at that. Is someone about to cry? I feel like crying for you. Listen to me. I'm having the twins very soon. I've gotten the asses. It's just a matter of time. Huh? I'm going to strip everything from you. Huh? How's that?
Why are you so cold?
I hate you. How is that? I hate you. I hate everything about you. I hate your confidence. I hate your guts. I hate your I deserve the best mentality. Like I do not deserve the best myself. Huh? Matter of fact, you know what? If you were to drop dead right now, I wouldn't waste a frown. You know what I would do instead? I would throw a party to celebrate your demise, you bastard. That's how much I hate you. Listen to me. Pay attention to the words coming out of my lips. I'm taking your woman. I'm taking your children. I'm taking your business. Everything that means something to you. I'm taking it. Everything. Huh? One more thing. You know what I love about you being born with a silver spoon? Is that it made you so fucking weak. So weak. You're just a loaf of bread. Huh? And you just take yourself out of this place before I call the cops on you. You hear me? I don't want to see you here again. Baby! I'll be right back. I'm coming, baby.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me. We are hopeful for a better tomorrow.
Yeah, hello?
What do you want?
My babies. I have every friggin' right to them.
In your wildest dreams.
Look, you cannot give my babies to that fool. You and your father better watch out, and I will take anybody out that comes in between us. Do you understand?
Your true colors are finally showing. You don't have to hide anymore.
Look, do not push me to the wall, Audrey. I'm warning you.
Or what? What will you do? Go to hell.
Where are you going to?
I have to go tell my father.
Okay, good idea. Where are you? Yes, come outside. Meet me at the backyard. I'm coming there now. Mom, man.
Yeah,
What's going on?
I'm good. What about you?
Great. Listen. I have a deal, a good deal I'd like to discuss with you.
kind of deal is that?
Good. The little I know about you, you strike me as an ambitious guy. And from the last time we spoke, you told me you were a graduate, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And you're only here due to situation you found yourself in. You said you have a debt to pay. How much was it again? 9.5 million naira. Oof, that's a lot, you know what I'm saying? And you have, how long, 2 months to pay 9.5 million? Oof, my brother, that's a very short time to achieve that kind of amount, don't you think so?
I know. But I still have to do what I have to do.
Yeah, you have to do what you have to do, but if we're being real here, you know you can achieve 9.5 million naira in 2 months. You know that. Which brings me to my proposition. What if I tell you, I have a deal for you that can make you, pay up your 9.5 million naira and also establish yourself for life? How does that sound?
Please, just tell me. What kind of deal is it? Just tell me, please.
I like you. I like you. I want you to kill Chief.
What?
Relax. Relax, my man.
No. Please.
Yo, listen to me. If you can kill Chief, I assure you, you're going to get your 9.5 million naira. And not just that, I will pay you 50 million naira extra. That's not all, bro. By the time Chief dies, I'm going to be in charge of his oil firm. And I'm going to employ you. Yeah. And I'll be paying you a monthly salary. Not just that, I'll give you a house and 2 cars. You like that, right? I'll look at you. I know you like the sound of that. You can do this, right? Huh? What are you saying?
All right.
Yeah?
I'll see what I can do.
You see what you can do?
Yeah.
My man.
I'll see what I can do.
My man.
Yeah.
Hey, remember, leave no traces. Okay?
I got this. All right?
My man.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Okay.
Safe.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me.
Hey, you wait for me.
We are hopeful for a better tomorrow. No matter how it is, you're the one for me. I am
Okay. Please. Okay. Yes. Let's take him. Okay. Let's take him.
so sorry, my love. My dear Audrey. I'm so sorry, okay? God gives and God takes. But, you know, this is your condition. You can run the company. Okay? You just have to sign this contract. Yeah? Just sign. Sign it over to me. Okay? You're in a bad condition right now. Yeah? Just sign it, okay? What the hell are you doing here, Cross? Huh?
You have the guts to show your face here. After what you did.
Mr. Lucky, you're under arrest for the attempted murder of Mr. Rufus. And you have the right to remain silent, because whatever you say or do now will be used against you in the court of law.
No, you're mistaken. This is the man.
I don't say anything. Hey, the unlucky man.
Daddy.
Your name was misgiven. You are supposed to be called unlucky. You are a cheat. You are a usurper. In fact, you are a murderer. You did everything to kill me. I am aware, very much aware of your arrangement with him to get me killed. All because of what? Because of my daughter. You have failed absolutely. And let me tell you, Daniel here is aware of that plot. I was never dying, no attack whatsoever when I came to your house. Just to get you, and we got you. You will never go free. What are you waiting for? Get him out of here! Come on, let's go.
I can explain.
Just
You. Daddy, you're fine.
Baby girl, sorry about it. You see, this life is designed. It is a complete arrangement by Almighty God. You are destined to face all those challenges so that you will arrive at this happy end. I just want you to know, this is your husband. The only mistake he made was pretending as if he is a medical doctor just to get your love. Otherwise, he is a gentleman, a fine oil dealer. That was just the mistake, and you can forgive and forget. After all, he impregnated you. That is your husband. Go to him. You have my blessing. Hold him.
Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. Looking through the windows of our hearts, we share a burning flame that will never die off. It might be complicated, the road might be rough. I'll be with you through thick and thin. I am yours, you are mine, no one else can do. You are the one for me. We are hopeful for a better tomorrow.